Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the chain case oil on this 262D Caterpillar skid steer. First thing we're going to do, come down here on the right rear side and break free this drain plug. It's a 1/2-inch drive, so I'm going to be using my 1/2-inch ratchet here to break it free. Slide the oil pan underneath. I'm going to be expecting to catch about 3 gallons from each side on this, so make sure you have plenty of capacity in your oil catch pan. After that's done draining, go ahead and tighten that up, spin it in there. You'll notice that the oil is pretty thin on these. It's not a heavy gear oil. Some of them take 10 weight. This model in particular takes 1540 for our application. So here I'm going to find the fill plug. It's on the right hand side in between the tires. Go ahead and break that free, and filling these up is pretty similar to filling up a differential on a heavy duty truck. Just fill it till it comes out. Go ahead and put my drain plug back in, and that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to button this up and move on to the other side. So if this video was useful for you, please go ahead and like it. Hit the subscribe button for more. Thank you. Bye.